Hi guys, welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to save Spotlight video to gallery on Snapchat. First you have to open the Snapchat application here. Simply tap on it and here you will find the Spotlight option. Here at the bottom right corner, this play button is the Spotlight videos actually from Snapchat. So you can just tap on it to get the Spotlight video. So tap on it and from here you will find this share icon here. Now tap on that share icon here and you just need to find this share elsewhere. Then you can just scroll it at the left side and you will find this download button here. Simply tap on download button here and you can see it has just saved. So it has just downloaded this video to my gallery. So let's check the gallery, the photos. Here you can see the video is now saved to my gallery. So that's how you can just easily save a Spotlight video on gallery on Snapchat. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and thanks for watching. Till next time.